So what's good boys, Minusyan? Welcome to another video. Boys, welcome na naman sa isang video sa week 5 natin sa ating cut boys. So ayan, kaninang update medyo may nakikita na akong changes sa katawan ko boys. So nagli-lean down na ulit or natatastas na yung body fat. So mamaya pagtapos na itong what's good na to, mapapanood nyo naman yung clip. Tapos sa ending papakita ko din yung ang tawag dito, yung yung comparison ng starting point natin tsaka ngayon. So medyo may nagbago na rin kahit papaano. So hindi naman ako nagmamadali or hindi ako in a rush cut. So enjoy lang. Meron na din pala tayong fall off boys na nagawa ngayong cut na to. So may isang event ako or may isang okasyon na pinuntahan ko yung mga tropa ko at kami birthday ng tropa ko, napainom ako. Tapos syempre masarap yung pulutan kaya napakain. So yun, meron akong isang fall off sa cut na to. Pero hindi naman siguro over yung calories ko dun boys, or di ko alam. Pero yun yung nangyari. And then same calorie goal pa din tayo, 2,700 calories. Tapos increase tayo ng daily steps. Kaya ngayon meron na akong fitness watch. Ayan, so nagtatrack na ako ng daily steps ko boys. Tapos treadmill, hindi ako nagte-treadmill kasi nga tawag dito, umaga kami nagji-gym ngayon. Kumari ayan, 6 AM. So medyo na late na nga kami niyan. Tapos pasok ko ni Boss Neg 8. So meron lang kaming leeway na 1 hour and 30 minutes sa gym. Dapat 7:30 nakatapos nang maligo si Boss Neg. And then ayun, pinaka matagal na workout ko na siguro 1 hour and 10 minutes boys. Kasi ako hindi naman ako naliligo sa gym. Si Boss Neg lang. Si Boss Neg siguro pinakamatagal niya na workout 50 minutes, pinakamabilis 30 minutes. Yan. Pag nagmamadali or medyo mas na late kaming pumunta sa gym, gawa ng late kami nagising or namalengke muna kami bago kami mag-gym. So yun, time now 6:01 AM. Date, anong date ngayon babe? February 4, no? 3? Okay, February 3, 2025. Kita kasi sa workout. Basic. Luka got traded to the Lakers. Let's go.
Whisper.
Lakas.
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I feel was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be. This it's not. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where. Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm
59.
Okay, guys.
Boys, ayan. So, oras natin 5:58. Di kita masyado, pero 5:58 ano na AM. Kasi sleep well si Boss Neg. Di kami nakaalis ng maaga. Sleep well si Boss Neg. Pero yan, papainitin ko lang ng konti yung sasakyan, tapos alis na kami. Pupunta na kaming gym, baba na tayo. Leg day, sama ko kayo boys. Kahit na alam ko may workout footage na ngayong week back, pero legs tayo kasi hindi pa ako nakapagpakita ng legs. Favorite workout, legs. Pre-workout ni Boss Neg. Hello, tara boys. Boss Neg, the rage player. Full parking.
Kasi babayaan ko yung parking.
Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where. Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I'll never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen? Sorry, I will never be the one you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, cause I got your picture on my mind. I want us to be what we used.
Okay boys, so ayan, tapos na tayo mag-workout. Konti lang yung na-workout clip ko. Wow, tapos na sila mag-run. Tapos ayan boy, si Boss Neg, di ko na-film kanina, nakipag-away siya. Fine naman boys, ayan may mga joggeries din dito. Ayan na si Idol Papambuga. Nightcap boys, ayan. Ayaw kasi mag-focus eh. Ayan, 13,587 steps. Yan, 13,587 steps. Si Billy, naka-blower pa. Lakas.